Are you starting to see the rise of corporates yet?
Definitely. There's many examples of this. There's a couple of different elements around stablecoins. When we talk about stablecoins, everyone just says dollars. And I think that's rightfully so because it's the vast majority. I think we have the largest stablecoin outside of dollars, and it's a gold stablecoin, and it's, it's still less than $1 billion, right? So it's mainly dollars. And so why do you need a dollar stablecoin? Well, because everybody wants a dollar, and it's really hard to get dollar bank accounts, especially if you're outside the U.S. Even in the U.S., by the Federal Reserve's own studies, 20 or 25% of the American population is unbanked or underbanked. So why do you need a stablecoin? Because you don't have a bank account. Why do you need a stablecoin? Because you're outside the U.S. and you don't have access to a dollar bank account. Why do you need it? Because you need to be able to move money in real time. Maybe you're a trading company. Maybe you're doing remittances. You're a person in the U.S. and you want to send money to Mexico. You need to move not in 3 days and high fees. You want something that's immediate. The other reason could be because you want something that's programmable. You're getting to this agentic economy that everyone's talking about and you write about so much. How could you have an agentic economy without having a stablecoin? Having something that's programmable. Mark Andreessen has said software is going to eat the world. And if that's true, and I think it is, software is going to eat money too. And what does software eating money look like? It's a stablecoin. It's not the way the current money system works. So there's so many examples of where people would need to use a stablecoin versus the current rails. No dollar access, slow dollar access, no bank account access, programmable usages. And so some big examples of that are people paying suppliers in other countries in dollars. And now they can sit there and hold dollars and not turn it into some local fiat where you have a currency that is unstable and depreciating, which most do against the dollar over time. Even though, we're always worried about the U.S. debt load, which is unsustainable, of course. It's still not as bad as most other countries that you could be living in. And so all of those things have pushed the need for either corporates or for consumers to use dollars. And the TAM is huge here. You're maybe at 22 trillion of M2 today, of dollars. There's 100 trillion of global M2. It's probably growing, what do you think, 8 or 10% a year? I mean, you write about this all the time. In 5 years, you're talking about like $150 trillion of M2 in the world, and 30 plus. I mean, you're not going to have $250 billion of stable coins. You're going to have trillions, maybe tens of trillions of dollars of stable coins, which is a huge shift that's going to happen in the world.
Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end. Look, if you enjoyed it, hit the subscribe button and check out the video here on the right-hand side. I'm sure you'll enjoy that one as well. And if you're ready for more, go to realvision.com/join. I'll see you there.